Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to resize images in Microsoft Word without losing quality. Many users notice images becoming blurry or pixelated after resizing, but in this video we will discover the correct way to keep your images sharp, clear and professional. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now you can see here assignment. Now I am go a blank page. Then insert my image. Go to the insert menu, click the picture option. Then choose picture from your file. Then click insert. Then select the image, go to the format menu, click the wrap text option, choose in front of text. Then you can move the picture anywhere. Then we resize the picture with stretching, otherwise you can resize on this measurement. Now I am right 6, but we can see this picture resolution is not distracting or no quality issue here. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.